Good afternoon, Newport Beach. This is a beautiful day in Newport Beach. Today is my third parade, and I'm getting ready to be the Grand Marshal of the American Legion Yacht Club Boat Parade, so it's really exciting. I've never done this before. I was in the Balboa Peninsula for July 4th for Families Parade early this morning, and I just came from Mariners Park for their family parade, and now I'm here at the American Legion Yacht Club. It's a beautiful day for a boat parade, so I encourage all of you to look on the TV and see this as you're probably watching it now, and see what wonderful things volunteers do in our community to really make July 4th special. So happy 4th of July, celebrating our nation's independence, the best nation on earth. So it's a pleasure to see all of you today.
Happy 4th of July! Happy 4th!
Hi, good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to the American Legion Yacht Club at Post 291 for our annual Independence Day Parade. The boat parade is going to be phenomenal. We're going to have a lot of people out here today. It's turned out to be a gorgeous day, and we're so proud and happy to be here celebrating Independence Day. How about a word from Lady Liberty?
Hi everyone, I hope you watched the boat parade today. It goes on every 4th of July and it's spectacular, and we'd love to have you watch it, and we hope that you have a very good 4th of July, and God bless America.
Hey, happy 4th of July. I'm Stephanie McCormick, President and CEO of Make-A-Wish Orange County and the Inland Empire, and today we are at the American Legion down in Newport Beach, and we are celebrating 20 years of the American Legion Auxiliary and the Orange County Sheriff's Department in sponsoring our annual 4th of July cruise for all of our Make-A-Wish kids and family. And this is our 20th anniversary, and that makes over 1,000 Wish kids that the American Legion here in Newport Beach has fed and made breakfast for over the past 20
Savrin, and I'm a member of the Auxiliary of the American Legion Post 291 Newport Harbor, and we're having our big fundraiser today, and we're also having a boat parade at 1 o'clock, so come on down. We have food, we have music. It's a great fundraiser. We do this once a year on the 4th of July, and the boats are all decorated.
This is Joy Brenner, Newport Beach City Council, coming to you on the 4th of July from the beautiful American Legion Post 291. This is where I often spend my 4th of Julys even before I was on City Council. And today I get to be in the Old Glory Boat Parade. So I'm looking forward to doing that and waving to everyone and just celebrating this gorgeous day in Newport Beach with all of you and with all of these wonderful veterans.
Welcome to the annual 4th of July Old Glory Boat Parade sponsored by the American Legion Yacht Club. The theme today is United We Stand, a good theme for Independence Day. And furthermore, our Grand Marshal today is Her Honor, the Mayor of Newport Beach, Diane Dixon. And I'm pleased to say that the American Legion Yacht Club is in full force this year, putting on the parade for I don't know how many years, probably 30-some. It used to be called the Character Boat Parade years ago, and we had some really character boats. In fact, for a while, it wasn't even on the 4th of July. It was just some cartoonists like Virgil Parch and some others using their boats to parade around the harbor here in Newport Beach. Also, it's important to note that all of these boats in the parade will be competing for a variety of trophies that you can see here behind me on the wall. All of them will be competing for the Commodore's Award and the Sweepstakes Award. And there'll be a award ceremony a couple of weeks from now in which we will be able to award these trophies to the winning people. This year, we expect a good turnout of boats patriotically decorated in red, white, and blue with flags and bunting. And we encourage everybody to come out and watch the parade and to join the parade if you happen to be out there on the water. So welcome again to the Old Glory Boat Parade. Lots of flags. 434. The numbers on the back. Wait. Just fixing it. What's your number? What's your number?